Oh, what's going on in here?
I'm just trying some picking patterns for this endeavours. Why? I'm not sure whether it works.
Didn't know you had a Faith acoustic.
No, neither did I. Just inherited what one day.
I've not seen that for quite a while.
It loves me more, just saying.
Hey. Sounds really amazing. What's this song you're working on?
Suspirium by Tom York. It's from this movie that I watched called Suspira. It's really beautiful. He wrote all the music for it.
Give us a quick blast. And no, give us a quick blast, because I reckon everyone's missed seeing you on the channel, and we're going to feature you and you in lesson format a lot more regularly, I think. If that's something you want to see,
Yeah.
leave a comment.
Of course you want to see it.
All right, come on.
Very excellent.
Give us a blast.
Okay, right, so this is what I've been working on. Wait. This is what sinking down our body. What they mean for our salvation. The little close eye, east and nothing. Just a ground which we stand.
Sounds beautiful.
So yeah, it's just the verse. And then there's a bit like a pre-chorus and then a chorus. It's just really haunting. That's why I love it. But yeah, you gonna leave me to it now?
No, I've got.
You're here for a reason.
I am here for a reason, actually. This is my house, so that's why I'm here.
It's my sacred practice time.
Yeah, I got a present for you.
I have to put this aside, otherwise it's gonna fall over and you'll kill me. Oh! Marge Simpson voice.
You excited?
Like a book or something.
It's a really nice book. The book you always wanted.
This isn't for me, this is for you. Oh my gosh. It's your 100,000 subscriber plaque. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That's a milestone, babe.
You getting it out?
That's so good. You
Thanks.
can't get it out. Where are you going to hang it?
Front door.
Well done, you.
Can put it on the front door.
To everyone who comes down. That is beautiful. You should be so proud.
Wait, stay still.
Thank you, everyone, for your support.
I'm in the play button. Thank you, everyone, for your support. It's very hard. This is probably the best way for me. I look awful. I look like I'm in a fun house.
Why?
Get off, this is mine. Have you even subscribed?
Of course, I was your first subscriber. Thank you very much. I was number one.
You were not there.
Probably not,
on my
yeah.
channel. It goes back too many years for that. This is honestly ridiculous. I wanted to do something far more grand, like, I don't know, like a short film and like skydive and then skydive into a mountain and then like dig it out of the ground and be like, I found the last black on Earth. But Gab's too busy to be my full-time filmer and I'm a one-man crew.
Yeah.
But honestly, outrageous. I never thought I'd get to 10, never mind 100,000, so.
Crazy, I think you should do a little dance in celebration. I think we should do a little dance.
Hey, I'll get demonetised for that.
Every celebration needs a dance. What's
It
the
does.
point? You need to, you know.
But yeah. You're going to be on the channel a lot more, aren't you?
I hope so.
Yeah, you will. And then also, you're going to get to 100,000 one day and I'll open yours.
Yeah, we do swapsies.
To be honest, I think this will go quite nicely here instead of these pictures that you put up.
Give me my headrest when I'm sat on the sofa.
Love it. I also want to quickly shout out Ernie Ball and Strings and Things for keeping me and Gab, because she nicks my strings,
Yeah.
in business, well strung. Yeah.
Well hung and well strung.
They don't keep me well hung. That's disgusting. Don't know what they're sending you, but they keep me well strung at all times. I'm rocking 9s on my Strat, my PRS, because of the scale length, and I'm using hybrids, so 9s to 10s on the Les Paul, just to try and balance out the tension. But yeah, epic. I'm going to get in touch with a few companies, see if we can do some sort of like belated 100k giveaway, because we've done it for like 10, 30,000 and then nothing till 100. Things rocketed. But yeah, thank you. And,
We've been busy.
I've been busy. I don't know what you've been doing.
I've been very busy.
Right, I'm off.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Hallelujah.
Also, important announcement. Do you recognise these guys? You should do. This is my new band. We're called Burrell, named after this little one in the middle. Sophie Burrell, she's the singer, guitarist, best friend. James, Simon, me. Yeah, don't forget that one. Yeah, Burrell. We've got a new single coming out on the 24th of February. It's called Dare To. There's going to be links in the description. There's probably a link up there right now with more information. You can pre-save the single. And if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, other places like that, as well as YouTube Shorts, there's going to be lots of teasers between now and then. So please follow us, pre-save, and get ready. Because I said so. Cheers. That'll do. I said that'll do.
That'll do, donkey.
I'm not a donkey.